Yuck. I really hate all the products served inside a student vending machine like this one. It tastes so disgusting. I wish I can get real soda from a vending machine like the teachers do. Wait a minute. I will find the staff vending machine which serves real soda, and buy something from it. Ha 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 ha. Awesome. I found the staff vending machine in the teacher's lounge. And yay! It serves real soda. Let's buy something. Yay! I just bought real soda. Uh-oh. I'm busted. It's Principal Ernie Garrison.
Sir Axlerod, the security cameras has caught you using the staff vending machine. Is this true?
Well, you'll be really furious. But, yes, I did.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Sir Axlerod, how freaking dare you use the staff vending machine? That's it. You are suspended for 1 week. Go home right now or I'll call the cops.
No.
Sir Miles Axlerod, how freaking dare you use the staff vending machine? You know those machines are restricted to your school teachers and administration only.
But, Finn, the soda from the student vending machine tasted gross.
Look. It doesn't matter. You are grounded for 1 week. Go to your room right now.
Yes sir, sorry sir.